Hello, here is the last video for this week to help you get started on the fun meme puzzle that I have for you guys to finish up for this week. So to do this puzzle, you will again get a Google Doc that you can just put your answers right in here, and you need to solve for the mean, mode, and median of each of the data sets. Okay, and to make it easier for you, I already added in the three things that you need, so you can just type them in there and use those to reference for when it's time to do the puzzle. You're trying to find a mystery puzzle. Now, once I actually purchased this activity for you guys, and then as I was going through it, I realized letters G through P have negative numbers involved. And I know that we didn't really discuss negative numbers at all this year. So, with that being said, I would like you to be able to use a calculator for this assignment, okay? I believe that will make it a lot easier for you. If you are not sure how to put in a negative number into your calculator, can you please ask a parent or a sibling or a guardian to help you do that? I wish I could pull up some calculators on this video, but I cannot because some calculators are different than others. I know that the calculator on my cell phone, I have to put the number in first and then the negative sign. Some calculators have you put the negative sign in first, then the number. But with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of these negative ones for you. That way to get you started and to show you how to do the rest of the activity. So let's start with G. The first thing that you need to do for all of these is when we know that when we're trying to find mean, median, and mode, we have to have the data set in order from least to greatest. So I already made G through P in order from least to greatest. So I did that for you. A through F are not in order. So those you will have to do on your own, put them in order, and then solve to find the mean, mode, and median. So for for letter G, the data set is -18, -11, -9, -8, 8, 17, 18, and 19. So our mean is our average. So I am going to add all of these numbers up, and then I'm going to divide by the amount of numbers I have. So I have 1, 2, let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's very important that you put the negative numbers in there or you're not going to get the correct mean. So I have -18 plus -11 plus -9 plus -8 plus 8 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19, and then I'm going to divide that number by 8. And I don't think I got the right answer. I'm sorry, guys. Hang on one second. -18 plus -11 plus -9 plus -8 plus +8 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19, and I get 16. And then if I take 16 and I divide that by 8, I get 2. So my mean is 2. My mode is the number that occurs the most, and they all only occur one time. So the mode is none. And then the median is what is right in the middle. So I have an even number of numbers. So that means my median is right here in the middle. And when my median is in between two numbers, I have to take the average of those two numbers. So that means I'm going to do -8 plus 8 and divide that by 2, and I get 0. Okay, so yes, please use a calculator for this. I just like this activity because it is a cute meme puzzle once you get it solved. Okay, so this was letter G. My mean is 2, my mode is none, and my median is 0. So to get on to the funny meme, let me real quick go over the directions on this, okay? You have to find the mean, median, and mode for each of the 16 problems. After you solve the problems, you look at the grid to find your answer, and you drag the matching puzzle piece over the answer. You will not have to rotate the pieces, you just drag them from left or right and or up and down. So you click right in the middle of the pieces. Now, again, I can't do that because this is just a screenshot, but on your version, you will be able to click right in the middle and then you can drag it across, okay? And you'll just drag it over here. So you can practice on your side by taking this piece and dragging it into this box, okay? And it explains how to do it if you are on a computer or if you are on a tablet or touch screen. It tells you how to do it. You can undo a piece if you made a mistake by hitting the undo button or Control Z. Okay? Alright, so this is what it looks like. So here's your answer space. Oops. So here is, once you fill out that the previous page where we find the mean, median, and mode, then you can use that to put in the answer. So for G, we found the answer of a mean was 2, the mode was 0, or I'm sorry, the mode was none, and the median was 0. Right here. Mean is 2, median is 0, mode is none. So here is letter G. Here is the puzzle piece for letter G. I would then click on this and drag it over here and set it on this part of the puzzle. So you will do that for all of these answers until you complete the puzzle of the mean. Now I would like you to submit, please submit this to me so I can make sure that you got the right answers. And then when you are finished with the puzzle, I would like you to submit that to me as well. Okay? This is the last assignment for the week, so as long as you have gotten all of your assignments complete, you are all set to go for the weekend. Thanks, guys.